this up. We have here an Aukey 30000mAh mAh lightning power bank with Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 technology. And I just wanted to show you guys what's included in this. Please be careful when using a knife. So here we have a user manual. The battery indicator light shows that if it's red, it's about 0 to 30% life left, green 30 to 70, and white 70 to 100%. Thank you by Aukey. And here's the actual unit. It is a little heavy. And there are two outputs. Output 1 is quick charge. Output 2 is a regular charge. It does give you a micro USB input to charge this device. If you hold the power button for about 2 to 3 seconds, the flashlight turns on. And you hold it for 2 to 3 seconds and it turns off the flashlight. This also includes a USB-C cable, which is pretty nice because I am using a Nexus 5X. So let's go ahead and measure this. It's very close to 6 inches, a little over 3 inches, and the thickness is just a little over 1 inch. So the way you charge this device is through the micro USB. They do not supply you with a micro USB. So once you plug in the micro USB into the device, this power button should light up, and that should indicate what the battery life is like. So I'm going to put it in right now. And it is currently at green. So when it's charging at green, it just means that it's charged about 30 to 70%. So it looks like this comes pre-charged at least 30 to 70%. Just run away with my time. So there you have it. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe on the video, and thanks for supporting me.